Have you ever felt helpless about those unfair negative reviews on Google? Let's change that today. Did you know that Google has specific guidelines to help you remove reviews that shouldn't be there? Let's break it down. First up, off-topic reviews. Reviews should be about the customer's experience with your business, not about random comments. Which brings us to the next one, which is spam comments. These include fake reviews, bots, and any review pushing ads or promotions. These can be sneaky. Conflict of interest, reviews from your competitors or even employees is a big no-no. We can't forget profanity. Now, Google will automatically remove reviews containing swear words, sexually explicit language, or illegal activities. You might be fast at catching them. Are you experiencing bullying or harassment? Reviews that attack an individual directly are not allowed. Discrimination or hate speech, reviews that harm someone's dignity based on their identity will be taken down. Lastly, personal information. Reviews shouldn't contain someone's private information. Are you feeling empowered yet? You have the right to request a removal of any review that violates these guidelines. Protect your business's reputation effectively. For more tips on managing your online presence, hit that follow button. Let's keep our businesses thriving together.